Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to automatically forward Outlook emails to Gmail. I was trying to keep all my emails in one place recently, and managing both Outlook and Gmail felt a bit messy, so I decided to forward everything from Outlook straight into Gmail. What I did was open a browser, go to outlook.live.com, then log into my account. Once inside, I'll click the settings icon, search for rules, and created a new rule. I gave it a name like forward to Gmail, just to keep things organized. Now here's where you can customize things. If you only want emails from certain people, you can add a condition like specific senders, but in my case, I wanted everything forwarded, so I'll set it on to apply to all messages. Then under actions, I selected forward to and entered my Gmail address. After saving the rule, every new email that hits my Outlook inbox automatically shows up in Gmail. Honestly, it feels like merging two inboxes into one, way less hassle to keep track of everything. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.